The digital revolution has brought about a paradigm shift in the way business is conducted, with e-commerce emerging as a powerful force in the global marketplace. For beginners venturing into the realm of online selling, the potential for success and profitability is immense. However, navigating the intricacies of e-commerce can be a daunting task without the right strategies and techniques in place. We will explore effective strategies and techniques that can help beginners maximize profits and thrive in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Laying the foundation, building a solid e-commerce infrastructure. Before delving into the intricacies of maximizing profits, it is crucial for beginners to establish a solid foundation for their e-commerce venture. This involves choosing the right e-commerce platform, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, that aligns with their business goals and provides a user-friendly interface for managing products, inventory, and orders. Additionally, creating a visually appealing and intuitive online store that instills trust and confidence in potential customers is paramount. Mastering the art of product selection, a key to success. Selecting the right products to sell can make or break an e-commerce business. Beginners should conduct thorough market research to identify high-demand products with a potential for profitability. Analyzing trends, evaluating competition, and understanding the target audience's preferences are essential steps in identifying winning products. Moreover, sourcing products from reliable suppliers or utilizing dropshipping services can help minimize inventory costs and streamline order fulfillment. Crafting a compelling brand identity, standing out from the crowd. In the fiercely competitive e-commerce landscape, establishing a strong brand identity is crucial for long-term success. Beginners should focus on creating a compelling brand story, designing a memorable logo, and developing a consistent visual language across their online store and marketing materials. Building a brand that resonates with the target audience fosters customer loyalty, sets the business apart from competitors, and ultimately drives higher profits. Driving traffic, getting noticed in the digital sphere. An e-commerce store without traffic is like a brick-and-mortar shop hidden away on a deserted street. To maximize profits, beginners need to employ effective strategies for driving traffic to their online store. This can be achieved through a combination of search engine optimization, SEO, techniques, content marketing, social media advertising, and influencer collaborations. By targeting the right audience and optimizing their online presence, beginners can attract a steady stream of potential customers and increase their conversion rates. Converting visitors into customers, the power of persuasion. Once potential customers land on an e-commerce store, the next challenge is to convert them into paying customers. Employing persuasive copywriting techniques, optimizing product descriptions, and utilizing high-quality product images are essential tactics for maximizing conversions. Implementing user-friendly navigation, clear call-to-action buttons, and a seamless checkout process can also contribute to a higher conversion rate. Beginners should continuously analyze customer behavior, conduct A/B testing, and iterate on their website design to optimize the conversion funnel and drive higher profits. Nurturing customer relationships, the key to repeat business. While acquiring new customers is vital, fostering customer loyalty and encouraging repeat purchases can significantly impact profitability. Beginners should focus on providing exceptional customer service, promptly addressing queries and concerns, and implementing a customer retention strategy. This may involve offering loyalty programs, personalized recommendations, email marketing campaigns, and post-purchase follow-ups. By cultivating strong relationships with customers, beginners can turn them into brand advocates who not only make repeat purchases but also refer their friends and family, further expanding the customer base. Maximizing profits through pricing and promotion strategies. Setting the right prices for products is a crucial aspect of maximizing profits in e-commerce. Beginners should consider factors such as production costs, competitor pricing, market demand, and perceived value when determining their pricing strategy. Strategies like dynamic pricing, bundling, and tiered pricing can be employed to optimize revenue generation. Additionally, running promotions, offering discounts, and leveraging scarcity or urgency tactics can stimulate sales and create a sense of excitement among customers. Analyzing data for growth, harnessing the power of analytics. Data is a goldmine of insights in the world of e-commerce. Beginners should leverage analytics tools and platforms to gain a deeper understanding of customer behavior, sales patterns, and marketing effectiveness. By analyzing data, they can identify trends, optimize marketing campaigns, fine-tune product offerings, and make data-driven decisions that lead to increased profitability. Key metrics to monitor include conversion rates, average order value, customer acquisition costs, and customer lifetime value. Expanding horizons, exploring new channels and markets. As beginners gain traction and confidence in the e-commerce space, they should consider expanding their reach by exploring new channels and markets. This may involve diversifying sales channels by integrating with marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, or exploring international markets through cross-border e-commerce. Each channel and market comes with its own opportunities and challenges, so it is essential to conduct thorough research and adapt the strategies accordingly to maximize profitability. Staying ahead of the curve, embracing innovation and trends. The e-commerce landscape is ever-evolving, with new technologies and trends shaping the industry. Beginners should stay abreast of the latest innovations and adopt them strategically to gain a competitive edge. This may include embracing mobile commerce, leveraging augmented reality, AR, or virtual reality, VR, for immersive shopping experiences, or integrating voice search capabilities. By keeping up with the pulse of the industry, beginners can position themselves as industry leaders and capitalize on emerging opportunities for profit growth. Thriving in the world of e-commerce, a journey of success. Embarking on an e-commerce venture as a beginner can be both exciting and challenging. However, with the right strategies and techniques in place, the journey to maximizing profits becomes more attainable. By laying a solid foundation, selecting winning products, establishing a compelling brand identity, driving traffic, optimizing conversions, nurturing customer relationships, implementing pricing and promotion strategies, harnessing data, exploring new channels, and embracing innovation, beginners can unlock the true potential of e-commerce and build a profitable online business. Remember, success in e-commerce requires continuous learning, adaptation, and a commitment to delivering exceptional customer experiences. So, dive into the world of e-commerce with enthusiasm, and let your entrepreneurial spirit soar to new heights of success.